I love Ogalala toys, and it's really the set of toys that we still have in our home because we use a lot of different toys. May mga gifts to my children pag mga Christmas, 'di ba? Mga birthdays, ganyan. So, I must say na toys in our house come and go, but Ogalala toys, they really stay with us for a long, long time. And it's really the set of toys that my kids still love and enjoy playing with. And I really appreciate that kasi kids, they have very, very short attention span. So you have to make sure that the toys you give them, it's really something that will keep them engaged and really keep them occupied. Makikita mo that they're really enjoying playing with this set of toys. So I really like Ogalala kasi I'm such a huge fan of pretend play. And these toys, like the one we have from Melissa and Dog, yung kanilang doctor play set. I'm not sure about the title of the toy, but this one specifically, it really gives them the sense that they're really doctors. Parang yung pretend play na talagang na-experience nila kasi the set is really complete. Like, feel na feel talaga nila yung pagiging doctor nila. So, makikita mo na these toys are really well curated. Hindi lang basta-basta. And even per piece, makikita mo yung detail of how they really thought of it well. Hindi lang basta they come up with something. And when you say set talaga siya, like from stethoscope, and then yung may ano pa yan, may chart and everything. Meron pang like bandage set, and then yung para sa arm. So, sabi ko when I saw it, when they first unboxed it, ang galing naman nito, talagang kompleto. So, when the child plays with it, andun na agad yung sense na, oh, today I'm gonna be a doctor. So, andun na yung feeling niya na for this playtime, I am this character. And for them to do that, to be able to do that, it means talagang the playset is really giving, di ba? Na talagang ito yung moment na to, they're really acting on the character that they're really playing. So, sabi ko, itong mga toys talaga namin from Ogalala, ito yung mga, you can still hand them over to the next baby or even to the cousins, di ba? Pag may mga new babies ulit, siya yung mapoproud ka kasi you know that whenever your children or other children plays with it, talagang it's not just only fun and enjoyment, but at the same time, they're also learning.